Good morning, welcome to Push On Fish Off. First, well, this is the third catch today actually. Nice herring on the top hook, second top hook. It's a beautiful day down in Blyth. You can see the sun is just haloing my head there. They look godlike. God of herring, God of fish, God of mackerel. No, still early doors. Don't know what time it is. All these messages. 6:30. Tide is high, just on the turn, I think. And let's bring you some fish. So I thought I'd try a lure just now. That pink is the colour, is the in colour at the moment apparently. I want to give it a few casts. Seems wobbly. Hooks, I don't know, hooks too big perhaps? Too big for the side of the harbour. It's about 4 inches long. Another team special. Anyway, I'm going back to Sydney's. I know where I am with them. I can see fish jumping out of the water, so that's a good sign. I'll let you know when I get the next one. Being confident. Fish on, fish on. This feels like fish on. Oh yeah, definitely fish on. Let's see what it is. It's a nice herring. Ooh, I'll bring them all the way up here. It's a decent size, 5-inch. There it is. Fish on. Now let's get that fish off. Hold on, Mr. H. Call me online again. Oh well, if fish gets it, I'll know that it's gone tight. It's going to be slack enough to size. Hold on, fish. And you can keep your scales and I don't want them. Here we go. Second bottom hook again. Well, he was well taken, I know. And away. Good. Back down the side. Over the reel and in the tail. Just cut them off down, I would say. And sort that one again. It's funny, the other day I hardly any catch it. That was a lovely show of them in again. So I'm all about. Right. Put that back on the stand. In the words of the great Mike Peters, the stand. For all you alarm fans out there, sadly passed away recently. I like the alarm. 68 Guns, what a great anthemic song for a teenager in the 80s. If there's anybody about that ilk, my age. Yeah, that was a great decoration, I remember. Brilliant. Anyway, back to the fishing section. Got this new remote control with a tripod. Let's try that. It feels like fish on. Looks like fish on. It's fish on. Ooh, now, where's my line? Is that that's a pollock? If I saw one. Turns out pollock, they've got a deep bottom lip. I don't know if you can see that in there. Oh, maybe it's a coolie. Something went through the head anyway. Let's get the lad unhooked. He seems to be still alive. Yeah, he's still bouncing. Still bouncing after all these years. Get him off. Come here, lovely boy. There's a chunk there. Let's see if I can do this without so much damage. Lovely. It's one side. Two sides. Whoa. He's away. Good. Back to you, pals. Tell your friends I'm coming for them. Fish on, fish off. Well, that was good. I was chatting away then. I just pulled in a double shot herring, top hook and bottom hook. Had all the lovely spiels open. The remote control on the camera didn't work. Fantastic. Honestly, technology's great till it lets you down, isn't it? So Yeah, just getting a bit more halo. Sorry the sun's directly in your eyes, but I'm in a slightly different position. Maybe I'll move the tripod over the other side. I don't know. What do you think? You can see the fish anyway. Anyway, more in a bit. Ta-ta. There's a nice coolie. Look at that one. Maybe what, 6 inches? Just caught him. Not very dark. Let's get him back to the sea. Where is he? There was a double shot. It's now just a single. Another little heron. Here he is. Tiny little fang. It's looking a bit like rain, truth be told. But never mind, that'll bring the fish to the surface. Still high water here. Catching a bit. Another fish on. Another fish on. It's another coolie. Let's get him back to the source. Is it a coolie? I think it's a coolie. See, I should really learn what my fish look like. Come here. Come here. Oh, if you just hold your horses, there you go. She's away. Oh, he's away. Back into the water. And away. Down to the bottom nearly. Drag off, drag back on. Wind him up. Little bit of a chicken. Nothing's happening on the big one yet. I'm going to move you around there again. See me? Here I am. Move you around. See that pan. There, that's better. Sun's gone behind the cloud a bit. Move you around. There we go. Too much big face. You heard a fiddler on the roof? Well, it's tiddler on the drop. That was for you, John Crichton. I was talking to my mates from school yesterday, and our various disparate places around the earth. I think Australia, Canada, somewhere in the northeast. But we've been friends for a long time. I don't suppose you make better friends than school, do you? There we go. It's a tiny little one, this. Tiny little Richard Herring. Get him back away. Swim away. Like Chris White said, swim away. But then he's a jack. You know who you are. Oh, there's a fish on straight away. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely on the drop. Caught him in the middle. Here we are. Look at that, sort of live on camera. Slightly bigger than the minuscule one before. I'll get him away and I'll bring him back for some more. Well, that was a double shot. One heron there. The other one jumped off the hook as I was landing him, so he's still here. I'm just going to put him back in first. Oh, he's getting all dirty, you know. Come here, fish. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Get away. And number 2. Hook on yourself. He was taken on the back. There we go. Just about the size of my little finger. Good. Right. That's a long walk to the sea. More fish later. Well, that's fish on again. There's a nice herring. There he is. Oh, falling a bit. Get him away. You just keep the glove on all the time at the minute. Right, yeah. Let's have it. He's a good bait fish, but the sabitis do me just fine. He's away. Let's get cast out. Or dropped out. Where's my line? There. Safely back in the water. Safely away. Fish fest so far. Morning fish fest. I brought bait, but I don't know what I'm going to use it yet. Let's say frozen. One of the mackerel I caught the other day. Here we are. Another holy, I believe. Still going. Bottom hook again. Let's get them all. Get the glove on. Let's go down to the water's edge and get the fish off and back in the sea. Right. Come here, lovely boy. Nicely bottom lip. Straight in, straight out. Nice and easy. Where's my line? There. Fish on. Another Harry herring. Or Richard herring. There he is. There he is. Caught on the side. Not a great catch, but a catch nonetheless. Back to the depths. 20 stories high. Oh, that's Godzilla. Up from the depths, 20 stories high. I've moved the tripod slightly, put the car a bit closer. Such a long walk. Another calling. There he is. Champion. Now let's get this fish off. Just a minute. Just the fish. It's all about the same stamp. 4 or 5 inches. Herring. Coal fish. Yeah, definitely a collie. Not pollocky. The lip tells us it is a giveaway. In he goes. Have a little cast out, I think, now with this one. I like to have a cast out once in a while with a smaller rod. Hopefully not crossing my own line. Which to do with depressing regularity. Leave that on the lower rung. Like REMK shirt. If you remember the album. Green, which oddly had an orange cover. Great album though. I used to listen to that when I was walking home on my Walkman on cassette. So I used to work in the pub in the Gower in Potatoes, Cardiff. I lived there many years ago when I was just a boy, a mere boy. Whereas now just a fatter boy and older. Anyway, that noise you can hear is the man watering the flowers. Oh, looks like he's, I don't know, dead loss. Anyway, bits, yes, fish, you know what it is. Feels fish on. Yes, fish on. Of course it's fish on. Once again, the herring king. There he is, look, Percy. Yeah, dancy, dancy, dancy fish. Dancy on the hooky fish. Hooky, hooky. Dancy fish. Many years ago in school, in a poetry book, I remember, was the computer's first Christmas. And it was just like 4 or 5 Christmas words repeated over and over and over again in different order, like Merry Berry, Holly Berry, Merry Christmas, Cake Christmas. Obviously, It's, I don't know if anybody can remember it. I can vaguely remember it. I can't remember the words. I can't remember the Christmassy words. Loth I haven't said the C word when the sun's shining, and it's still only August, but you know, we'll be here soon enough. Here you go. Back in the water. He's watched him swimming away. There was another little heron, I think. Yes, it was. Casting out down the sides, all seeing. There's a whole bunch of lads fishing. Down, lads. I wonder if they're subscribers. If you're watching this, boys, hello. Fish on, fish off. Come and have a chat. So I just want to take a moment here, put out an appeal. To all you mackerel out there, come and get caught by me. I thank you. I'm going to try some fresh sabikis from Mr. Emu. Mr. John T and his famous emu. Size 14 hooks. Yuki sabiki. Yuki sabiki. Lots of Chinese writing on. 6 something, 5 centimeters, 20 centimeters, size 14 hooks. And I'm going to try putting a little extra tiny little paddle taily thing on there, on a couple of them. I've got 6 hooks, so I think maybe a couple of these little tiddlers. You never know. As you probably know, I like to experiment. I like to try different things. Sometimes I'll make my own, very unsuccessful rigs. Although I have caught a mackerel on one last year, on one I did with some silvery bag stuff, which was really nice. It took ages to do, and you know, when you can buy 5 for 2, 3 quid or something, why bother? Anyway, so I'll put these. So I'll reel this one in, put them in, cast them out, see if we can catch some better fish, better class of fish. You get a better class of fish on Blyth, I'm sure. See the shines, the sunshine off the top of my head. Anyway, more later. Fresh speakies away. Let's see if that makes a difference. Double shot the coolies there. This corner you want? Yes. Good. Here we go. Let's get the bottom one off first. I don't want to hook myself, do it. Come here. Come on. Hold on, you. Get your mate off. But one away. He was nicely taken. Number 2. Away. Seagull. Oh, nope, nearly had him, Mr. Seagull. Nah, he's gone. Ha ha ha. I caught him, you didn't. Whoop, nearly. And out. Well, that was an odd cast. I'm gonna let that sink back down. More fish in a minute. It's going to be hotter now. Coat's gone off. Doing well today. Seals are coming in, so that means the fish are coming in. Lovely job. Massive big strike on the little rod there. Took it right the way down. And here he is. Just a herring. Just swimming past. Didn't even take it on the mouth. Thought I'd mackereled up then. But no. Not a bad size, no. Come here, lovely. Let's get you off. How I got him, I do not know. He didn't want it. It's a fat one, I know. There we are. He's away. Oh, that was exciting. It's always exciting when you see the rod going like that. Back in the water. Plop. Oh, fish on. Yeah, I got one on the drop then. Fish on, definitely. Look at that. Drop your line in, catch a fish. There he is. Not as big as the other one. Get him on. Oh, I'm getting all scaly. Look at that. Come here. Off you plop. Back on the drop again. It's nice when you catch them on the drop like that. Quite a surprise as well. Yeah, back on the bottom. Just off the bottom. Oh, fish on. It's a better one. Maybe two. Nope. There he is. Nope, it's about the same size. It's not the same one. Not be unbelievable. About the same size though. There he is. Just there. There's a shoal down there somewhere. Come here. No. Top hook this time. He's a lean, mean swimming machine, this one. Swim away. 3 on the drop and 3 in the row. Can it do? Let's see. On the bottom. Just off the bottom. Oh, fish on. Feels fish on. Could it be 3 in a row? Yes, it could. Wow. They're all the same size. I'm sure it's not the same fish, you know. I am putting them back. At that there. But they're all it's exactly the same looking fish. Very peculiar. Nobody told me there'd be fish like these, like John Lennon would have said if he'd fished. No. Hey. Hold on, Mr. Herring. Let's get you in the water. Come here, man. Come here. There. He's away. 3 drops. 3 fish. Can it be 4? I think that's my record so far. 3 in a row on the drop. Wind up slightly. No. Wow. So it was 3 drops. 3 herring. Doing well today. Well, it wasn't quite straight away, but it wasn't long after. Another one on the bottom hook. Another herring. I brought bait with me, but Sabigis just never let you down. Never let you down. See if I can get a glove on. La 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 la. I don't like doing that, but sometimes it's just got to be done. There we are. There we are. Come on. Seagull coming past. Is he going to get it? Is he going to get it? Is he going to get it? Nah, he's gone. Ah. 2-0 to me, Seagulls. Some kind of boat going past. Oh, fish on. Yeah, that's a fish on. Took him on the side again. Herons are such a lovely looking fish. I'll get him away. And I'll bring you back again. And another one. Another heron for the collection. And I'll put you off now because battery's going. Fortunately, I've got a charger. A power bank, rather. Charger, what am I saying? Come here. That's a nice one. Castle up there.